This is the construction site for the European ELT, the Extremely Large Telescope. The telescope itself will be a 39.6, I think, metre primary mirror composed of 798 individual segments. There's 600-tonne crane. Obviously the main structure is still under construction. That's going to be one of the elevation bearings, all kinds of great stuff here. So this here is all the auxiliary building, and then the main structure itself in here is basically entirely separate foundations and structure and seismically isolated altogether from this auxiliary building. Cranes even within the structure. This is the earthquake isolation systems for the main telescope structure itself. So 4,800 tonnes of telescope sits on top of these. These are the bogies that support the rail for the dome ring that enables the dome to rotate to the right position for wherever the telescope will be pointing. Then over here up the top is the M1 mirror cell where the 798 individual mirrors will go. And the big steel structure there is just the support for where that's going to support the Naismith platform. And the Naismith platforms, plural, is where the science instruments will be.
The dome tank capacity, I believe, is 20 tons. So